Hi guys, so this is a quick tutorial on how you can actually sell your hamster kombat on Bybit and withdraw your money using the P2P method. So this is as in one of the most asked questions that I always get. And when I say, okay, I can buy hamster kombat from you, I can buy your dollars from you, other people feel like, okay, this girl just wants to cheat me. So why not if not? Let me just make the video since we do have the request, alright? So, for the new people among us, those are the people I'm actually making this video for. So please nobody should come for me. So you come to the sports area here. At the bottom down of your homepage, this is where you buy or sell any crypto of your choice. And in this note, we are going for hamster kombat. So you click on the dogs area at the bottom, at the top area. Let me show you where I clicked. Now let me just use mouse to see it. So this is where you clicked the dogs USDT right over there. So you click on it to search for any trading pair that you want to go for. And of course, at this point, we're going for hamsters. So we're going to search for EHM. You can see this is it. It's already trading hamsters USDT. It's already trading live. So once you click on this right here, so I have some hamster. So at this point, this area here, you can choose, that's the way you choose if it's at limit. It can be at limit here, or it can be at market. This limit is for traders, so you don't have to put it in limit because it might take a long time before they will sell it. So this limit is for traders that want to buy at a particular price or sell at a particular price. But for you, you want to sell at a market price, alright? It's advisable that you don't sell your hamster kombat now because this is just the pre-market price. Tomorrow it might be higher or lower. All right. So at this point, you now come to this market area. That's where you choose market, and that's where you actually buy or sell your hamster. So this is not where you're doing. This is perpetual. All right. This is perpetual trading at the top area. So what we're going for. So I'm gonna be using this place for the demo. I'll be using this area for the demo. So you come to sports area here. Alright, so this is where I searched for hamster and it took me to the perpetual. That is because hamster kombat is not yet listed. That's just the pre-market price. Alright, so once at this area here, once it's tomorrow, this time tomorrow, hamster kombat would have been listed. So once you click on these dogs, I search for hamster kombat, it's still going to be on that trade area here. And it's going to be on that perpetual that is too close to the other time. So at this point, you can choose to buy or sell your hamster kombat. So this is buy and this is sell. So ads there, for tomorrow, when you want to say hamster kombat, of course, again for sell. So you click on sell. Remember, I said that this limit is for traders. So you're going to change this from limit and put it market. That means you want to sell at the market price. What about the market you're saying? So this place is where you choose the amount of hamster kombat you want to sell. You guys know this is the demo one I'm using. What's it called? And I'm using dogs as the demo because hamster kombat is not yet listed. So at this point you choose, let's say I have 2,000 dogs to sell. I don't have any dogs, by the way. Okay, I think I have some dogs, but I'm not selling. So once you click on whatever amount of hamster kombat you want to sell, you want to sell all your dogs, all your hamster kombat rather tomorrow. This thing that I'm dragging here, you just slide it and choose 100%. And you just click on sell at the bottom here. It's going to sell immediately if you're using market. If you're using market here, okay, if it's at limit, you might wait to see eternity. So make sure you change it to market. So this is going to sell immediately and your money will be in dollar. It will no longer be in hamster kombat. You don't just sell from hamster kombat to naira. Except you want to sell to people like myself. But on this platform, you first of all sell to dollars. So now our hamster kombat is now in dollars. Alright. So we now have dollars. The next thing now is for you to sell that dollar in P2P. So for you to get to P2P, you come back to your home, the home of your Bybit, and then you're going to, I don't like my videos getting too long. Go. Let's do the part 2, guys. To sell from USDT to Naira using P2P method. We are going to do that in the part 2. So I'm going to name this video part 1, and then the second one is going to be the part 2. So I'll see you guys in the part 2 of this video. Bye.